Hey guys, welcome back. So there was a time we could easily spot an AI generated image from an original image. However, right now we are in an era whereby it is completely or very hard or impossible. Not even experts who are good at spotting fake AI generated images are now even being fooled. Now in this very brief video, I'm going to guide you on how you can actually spot an AI generated image from one which is an original. So in this video, I've compared around 18 images and I want you to do one thing. Tell me if it is AI generated or if it is not. Then later on, if it is AI generated image, I'm going to go ahead and give you a detailed overview and why I say it is AI generated and why it's not. And this is also a clue on how you can spot an AI generated image from an original image that you don't get fooled too. So without much more say, let's begin. And also for context about me, my name is Titus. I'm an IT officer and this channel is dedicated to just AI. If you want to learn AI, if you're interested in AI, please consider liking the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel because there are more tools coming up, there are more tips, there are more tricks, and there are more hacks that I'll be publishing in this channel. So if that's something that you might be interested in, please follow along. So without much more say, let us begin. So the first image we have is this one. So your goal is simple. Tell me, is it AI generated or not? If you said AI generated, you're definitely wrong. This is an original image that was taken by a photographer. Okay, now we have an image of an elephant here. Is it AI generated or it is original? If you said AI generated image, you're definitely right because definitely this image, as you can see, there's no one elephant can stand on 2 feet, and even if it is stand, there's no way it can be equal to a man, let alone drink a beer. So that confirms that the image is generated image. Third image is this one of the lady. Is it AI generated image or it's not? Go ahead and pause the video if you want to. If you said AI generated image, you're definitely wrong. It's an original image of an Instagram model that I found on Instagram. So it's an original image. Let's go ahead and see the next. There's this video of children and the parent in the beach. Is it AI generated or it's an original image? Well, if you said AI generated image, you're definitely right. This is an AI image. It's actually hard to spot, but what you can spot first and foremost is the shadow of the castle, a little bit different. And even where the sun rays are coming from, we expect the shadow to come direct from here, fall this side. But as you can see, the shadow of the couple is this side, and the shadow of the children are this side. So if it was supposed to be that way, there would be two suns. The sun, first sun here, somewhere here, and the second sun somewhere here. So that makes it a generated image. Also, if you can see, another way you can spot is definitely the hands. That as you can see, these hands are definitely not in the right shape as a human hand. Despite it's a little bit more wider compared to the normal human hand. So that the tips you can see that this is an AI generated image or it's a fake one. And even the way the couple is, you can see as if she's leaning on the chest, but however the chest is more broad than side. So with that, those are the ways you can spot this an AI generated image or this an original image. However, this one was very good. It is very hard for a normal person. Third image we have is of this one. Is it AI generated? If you said AI, you're definitely wrong. This is an original image taken at a World Cup at Atlanta, I think, in the 2026 World Cup. So let's go to the next. The next image we have is of a camp, a tent in a football field. Is it AI or not? So if you said AI, you're definitely right. This is an AI image because first and foremost, there's no way, or there's no instance where we can find a tent in a field. Despite it being possible, but however it is slightly impossible. So another thing, this is a football pitch in England. It's kind of hard to find them in this stage. England is one of the best countries with the best football pitches. So we don't expect such mud in a field. So with this, we can conclude that it's an AI generated image. Now that is England, we can see from this is Wimbledon. I mean, this is the All England Lawn Tennis Club. So definitely, this is an England. And even the way the rain falls and the people. So it looks too perfect, however it is AI generated. Another image we have is of this. Is it AI or not? If you said AI, you're definitely wrong. This is an original image, despite the hand being in a different shape, but however you can see it is still perfect. And the smile is so perfect. AI images are not at this level yet. Is this image AI generated or not? If you said AI generated image, you're definitely right. And the key spots to actually rectify, to find out, is first and foremost, you can see the angle. I mean the reflection of the stick is handling. If it was AI generated image, if it was an original image, it would not look like a mirror. However, down looks like a mirror, yet it is still just ground. So AI tried to predict it too much, and it actually made it look like a mirror. So the next thing is the colors. There are too much colors here that are too perfect, something that only AI can do. And It's a very hard one, but definitely it's an AI generated image. When you see facial features, the details, you can easily spot that it's too perfect to be an original image. So, conclusion, AI generated. Another image we have is of this lady. Is it AI or not? So if you said AI, you're definitely wrong. This is an original image by Instagram model. So I will not go much into details about it. Also, due to copyright, if you find the image here and you feel like you want to remove it, please just comment below and you can verify, and then I can take down the whole video. Another image we have is of this graphic. Is it AI generated graphic or it's an original graphic? So if you said AI generated image, you're definitely right. This is a flyer designed by AI, but it is too perfect. But the way to spot an AI generated, you can see from the spaces, it's not that perfect yet. The space is different from this space. The formats are different. These small errors are done by AI. Another thing is the logo. Most AI generated logos are kind of blurry and not real, but it is too perfect. Also, you can see the shapes. AI generated images are always trying to be perfect, and the colors are too shouting. If it is green, it has to be very strong green. If it is black, it has to be very strong black. However, an AI, if a human designed this flyer, it will be a little bit stale and pale. So conclusion, AI generated flyer. So the next image we have is of this model. Is it AI or not? So if you said AI generated image, you're definitely wrong. This is an original image of a real model. So I'll not go much. I'll close that. Another model here. Is it AI generated or not? If you said AI generated, you're definitely right. This is an AI generated image. And the spots you can see is the knees. The knees are not in perfect place. AI still struggles with these knees, and even the hands, as I told you before, AI still struggles with the hands a little bit, and the toes. When you see this, we can see that she has big feet, however one toe is slightly hidden. If it was hidden, it would be a little bit protruding here, but we see there's no curve. So which means AI eliminated it completely. So definitely our conclusion is that this is an AI generated image. Another one we have is this. Is this an AI generated image or not? You can go ahead and pause the video. Is that image AI generated or not? So if you said AI generated image, you're definitely right. This is an AI image. And the first of the first clues that you can see that it is this socket first. This is the only socket, I think. I don't know what the socket is. But however, if it was a switch, we would definitely know. If it was a socket of wall socket, we would definitely know. But however, we will see AI struggled and left it like that. So we can conclude that it's an AI generated image. Also, we can see there's a fork instead. Yet she's going to cut a cake. So definitely a fork cannot cut a cake. So this is an AI generated image. Because if it was a real birthday, we'd expect to see a knife and a glass of wine and a straw. However, right now, you can only see a straw and a cup. So we can conclude this is an AI generated image. Another image we have is of this lady. Is it AI or not? So if you said AI generated, you're definitely wrong. This is an original image taken by an original photographer. Another one similar to the above. Is this AI or not? Well, if you said AI, you're definitely right. This is an AI image. And one of these things we can see is that we can spot the two plastic. AI still struggles with also skin tone and skin moisturization. You can see it is not that much original. Though AI tried to pull it out, it's too perfect. And also even when you can see between this and this, you can definitely know this is AI generated. So as a question to you, I wanted to answer, is this an AI generated image or it's not? Put the answer in the comments and then we shall start from that in the next episode. So that comes to the end of the video. If you like this video, or if you found any value, or if you learned something about AI, please consider liking and sharing it. So with that much more said, I'll catch you in the next one.